Yo 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 yo. It's Adrian or Honey back with another video. Today I'm gonna make something jolly, something in the Christmas spirit. I'm gonna make a Christmas trap beat. Thanks for clicking on this video. We are the Head to Toe music channel. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video. It would mean a lot. And if you're a producer or anything, come join our Discord. Enough said, let's jump into FL Studio. Okay, so I'm in FL Studio. I loaded up a sample, the Jingle Bells melody. Let me just play it right here. This is the part I will sample. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to load up some trap lead from Nexus probably. Let's see what I can find. Okay, yeah, I added this ARP. It sounds like this. Now I'm gonna go for the drums already. So, yeah, I added these hi-hats, added some variation to them. Then I added this basic clap, but also added this follow-up clap right here. Let me throw on some kicks. Let me add the 808s right now. Okay, pretty much done with the 808. This is what the 808 sounds like. Only the 808. Now for the snares and open hats. So I added these weird snares. Then I added this open hat. Actually, let me play just drums real quick. Yeah, okay. So here are the snares. And the open hats. No, actually, I think I'm pretty much done right now. Let me just lay this out on the playlist. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like and please subscribe. Okay, I'll see you next time.